Hey folks, in our most recent Leader Feeder podcast episode, we talk about post-training evaluation. In today's tip, we're going to talk about focusing on continuous improvement of the training. I'm Kirk Langford, General Manager of Unique Training and Development, and I'm here to share practical leadership tips for you and your team. We know one big thing in manufacturing is continuous improvement. We always want to be getting better, working smarter, not harder, and really going the extra mile as much as we can. The same thing should apply to any training that we're doing. So this means making sure you collect as much data as possible on the training after it's done. What went well, what didn't go well, what can make it better next time. Things like the instructor, the venue, the food, no matter what it is, any feedback we get that can help us do a better job in the next training is going to be that continuous improvement we need to ensure there's better retention, a better experience for everybody involved, and at the end of the day, better results from your training programs. So take the time to ask your participants to evaluate the training and take their feedback seriously. Follow us for more practical leadership tips for you and your team.